and welcome to Lawrenceburg Library's Take and Make for our teen crafts. If you come to the Lawrenceburg Library downtown, or if you come up to North Dearborn, you can pick up one of these fabulous boxes for our teen craft this week. And here's what you'll find inside. Directions. We are making an Among Us hand warmer this week. And hopefully yours will look like this when you're finished if you follow these directions here. So everything you need to know is on this sheet of paper. Also inside your box, you'll find rice, which will make your hand warmer be a hand warmer. You will find embroidery floss. You'll find a piece of white felt, a needle, another piece of felt, that's the larger piece that you'll use to actually make your little Among Us person. And these come in a variety of colors. This one happens to be black with little sparkles on it. You will get an Among Us bookmark, which shows some great books that we have in our young adult collection that talk about all things murderous, mysterious, and fraudulent. And I have some of the ones right here. Also, you will find a piece of paper that has the sketches for the pieces that you will want to cut out. And then what you'll do is take this, cut out the pattern, and you'll end up with 4 different shapes. You'll have this, and this, the backpack, and then the face piece. The piece that's the face, you'll cut out of the white felt, so you have a white face. And then the other 3 pieces, you'll use to cut out these that you'll use for the body and for the backpack. It's very simple. If you need help, we also have a tutorial on our website, a YouTube link that can show you exactly how to do it. And if you really have any questions, you can give us a call and ask for Lee, because she's the one that made this and she'd be happy to help you out. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you come by and pick up your pack and enjoy making your Among Us hand warmer.